Hi guys! Healthy day everyone! It's me once again, MJ, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and punch that little bell for notification of my videos that I upload usually every week. So anyway, in today's video, I hope that you're going to watch this till the end, and I'm going to share with you one of the gadgets that we usually use. So as for me now, ang ginagamit kong pampaputi, of course, is of course the sunlight. But of course, during the night, ano kaya ang ginagamit natin? Ito ay isang bilog at umiilaw. So, that's what you call the ring light. So, ngayon, nagpapasalamat ako sa aking ka-community, which are the Chabacocang team. Okay, so anyway, I just won and I just participated in one of the games na binibigay ni Miss Leia! Woo! Okay, so ngayon, at ito ay nag-sponsor. Who sponsored this activity or this game is si Cap Clint! Wow, congratulations, Cap! At I'm wishing you all the best, especially to all our Chabacocang communities. So I hope that you're going to watch them, and I'm going to attach the link down below sa mga links nila sa mga channels nila, and I hope that you're going to watch it, and I'm sure that you're going to enjoy their videos. So ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang sorpresang pinanalunan ko. I just won from that game. So ito ay from Lazada, at maraming salamat dahil, you know, they gave me a chance to participate that game. So, pero kung magkaroon din ako ng sponsor, of course, I'm going to make a video segment for your channel. So, anyway, maraming salamat once again, Cap Clean, for this ring light. And I hope that I'm going to use this kasi ako, nagre-video ako during daytime lang because okay, so ngayon, bubuksan na natin ang mahiwagang package na to. So, thank you kay Cap Clean for giving me this. At ngayon, i-open na natin ang ring light na to. Okay, so thank you so much. At yung mga gustong mag-sponsor dyan, you can message me. At I will do a segment video for your for your channel. So ayan, I'm so excited, as in sobra. Yun nga lang, wala siyang stand, no? So ayan, sige nga, putol natin dyan. Okay, so actually this is my very first time to do this video. And I hope na marami pa akong magbubuksang mga package dyan. Okay, so yan, titignan natin kung ano to. So this is a ring fill light. And fill light for beauty face. So make your face and eyes in beauty. Night Core Extreme, multiple color temperature. So ayan, kaso lang wala pa akong stand. So baka sino dyan may gustong magbigay na. Yan, pero iba pa rin ang sunlight, no? Yan, tingnan nyo, napaputi ko. I'm not that white naman, no? In person. So, you're not going to, wag mag-assume na ganyan ako kaputi, ha? Okay, so anyway, this is from Ecam LED Ceiling Lamp. Warm light, meron siyang soft light, meron din siyang white light. Ayan. So, siguro, I don't know how much this cost. So, pwede nyo namang i-search na lang sa Lazada to know what is the exact price of this. At tsan! Andito na! Okay. So, I'm super excited with this. So, hindi ko pa alam kung paano to gagamitin. Pero for sure, I will surely enjoy this one. So, meron siyang So, ayan na! Yehey! So, super thank you po, Leia and Cap Clean, and sa mga Chabacocang community ko. So, later, I'm gonna try this one. Pwede din pala siyang as a form of USB. And then, ayun, meron siyang, okay. So, meron din siyang parang maliit na stand. Ay, this is good. Ayan, may stand na pala siya. Ang cute ng stand niya. Meron, okay. Hala, super ganda. Bembala gayon. Oo, diba? Yan. So, ayun. Bale, this one. Okay. So, this is sa cellphone. So, super excited. I'm just super excited with this. At meron siyang mga goals dito. So, pwede lagyan or i-assemble ang aking cellphone. Hala, super. I'm so excited. Hala, grabe. This one is super nice. Okay? So, i-attach mo lang siya dito. And this will hold your cell phone. Yan. Okay. So, alam ko marami na tayong mga ganito, no? So, for those people who have already okay. So, yun. And then, you're going to open this one. So, this is very nice. So, once again, nagpapasalamat ako sa sponsor ko, Sir Clint. And, yun, I was super happy during the game. So, ayan, ito ang napanalunan ko. So, nagpapasalamat ako, everyone. And I hope that you're going to watch my videos. And please play on the playlist. And I have segregated all those parts, especially for health and beauty. Okay, so more segments about wellness. So ngayon, hindi pa muna kasi hindi pa tayo lumalabas. But more on natural and organic beauty regimen. And I hope that you're going to subscribe my channel and punch the little bell. So goodbye guys and hope to see you next week. Bye!